Hey guys, it's Mary. I received the newest in the Diamond Press pop-up kits, and this one is Halloween and Harvest. So I thought we'd take a quick look at it and see what's inside. Let me get this open. This is usually the hardest part. Go this way. You know, I can't believe that it's almost fall. I was at Walgreens today, and they already had their Halloween candy out, at least one aisle of it. It's scary how time flies. Okay, let's turn this around. Now remember, the pop-up is the one that everyone has this same mechanical base. Oh my goodness, this will not open up. Oh, hold on. Here we go. That was a tough one. So let's see what we got. Oh, now it tore. Wow. All right. Well, this one's just a mess. The side tore. All right. Let's see if I can get everything out without doing any more damage. Oh, my goodness. Oh, okay. All right. So it always comes with a slimline folder for the marquee, which is nice because they do wear out and bend fairly quickly. So let's see. The cardstock. Let's take this out of the way for now. All right, so let's take a look at the dies. So we've got the tree, and these look like ghosts. There's the mechanism. I think each one has like a little difference in the edging. This one is like a rickrack. These, I'm not sure what those are, so let's go ahead and take a look at the instruction sheet. Oh, I see. The rickrack is so that you can stamp. So it'll be little fans. Oh, that's going to be really cute. And then the little lawn growing on the stump of the tree. These are all the little embellishments for the Halloween card and for the fall card. And it gives instructions on putting it together, which is basically like all the others. The instructions. All right, so they're showing the Halloween card has the little ghosts in the tree and the bats and the little pumpkins all the way around. The harvest has, well, those are jack-o'-lanterns. The harvest has the actual pumpkins and all kinds of little leaves and things in there. Which must be these are all the different leaf shapes. Let's take a look at the stamps, and I'm sure that's exactly what it is. All right, so here is the fence. Then we've got the pumpkins, the jack-o'-lanterns, little ghosts say boo, another jack-o'-lantern, happy fall y'all, happy Halloween, thankful for you, the tree, both sides of the tree, bigger the ghosts. There's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 ghosts. That's a bat. And so, yeah, okay. So these are the leaves. Oh, this is great that they thought about that. So there's 4 and 3. So that's this stamp will get cut out with these this die, and then this one will get cut off with out of that one, and then these with this one. That is so smart that they didn't make us cut a ton of individual little leaves, because they are very tiny, very tiny. So this looks like it's going to be a real cute one. A real cute one. So, and I like that it's not just Halloween, it's fall too, because not everybody makes cards for Halloween, and not everybody does fall, but you know, if you're not doing one, you can do the other or do both. So when they're all stamped and cut, this is what the little pieces will look like for the fall card. All the different leaves, the jack-o'-lantern, or the pumpkins. Then over here we've got the ghosts. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 ghosts, 2 bats, and 3 different pumpkins. So that's really cute. That's going to be really cute with that fence that goes around too. Really cute. So that is the pop-up Halloween and fall tree card set. It's a mouthful. So that's it. I think there's still maybe one more of these. I seem to think that there's a Christmas one. Let me look in case you're getting the auto ships. Let's see what's left. I've got them all printed. So this is the Halloween harvest tree. And, oh no, there's 2 more left, okay? We've got October, a gingerbread house. Oh my God, that's gonna be so cute. And then in December, we've got a hot air balloon, which is really cute. But I'm really looking forward to that gingerbread house. So, all right, so we've got 2 more of the auto ships if you are collecting the auto ships. I did notice that their HSN is putting up the auto ships so that anybody could buy them individually. So I don't know if people canceled and they have some, or that was their intention all along to have extras. I don't know. I can't keep up with them. So anyway, that's it. So thanks for taking the time to watch. You know, I always appreciate any time that you can spare. If you're a subscriber, thank you very much. If you're thinking about subscribing, that would be awesome. We are slowly moving up. I think right now as I speak, I'm very close. I think we're close to 350, which is a nice amount. Not a big time people amount, but I'm happy. I'm happy that the people who want to subscribe have subscribed, and I get more all the time. It means a whole lot to me. So I thank you. And if you just come in and peek in once in a while, I appreciate you doing that too. But if you do hit subscribe, hit that bell, and it will let you know when there is new videos to be had. You know, I try to do at least a couple a week or more if I can. And I try to keep it, you know, diverse, different things. I purchase everything myself, so It's not like the big time people that get all the free stuff and they've got videos 2 and 3 times a day or every day. So I appreciate your patience. That is not a video every day. So I do what I can and I enjoy it. So, and I enjoy you guys watching. So thank you again. So that's it. Pop-up Halloween and fall tree card done. Until next time, stay safe, stay well, and happy crafting. I'll see you later. Thanks for watching.